I'm going to try to follow. This is the first time I've done this with one of these cameras. What is it? Isn't this something? My kids would do this, but I've never found anything worth filming except this. There's nothing I'd want to do with this damn thing except this.
Including your kids, huh?
My kids are grown. They're kind of grown. Look at that. Look at that. Man, I feel like Cecil B. DeMille's. I'm Alan Keller.
You're trapped in the corner here.
Hey, I'm another Alan Keller. Is he coming out here? Will I be able to see him?
I can't tell. There's an underpass.
Yeah, he might be coming
He
under.
might be going down the under.
Yeah, I think so. I don't think it's... Here he is.
Coming out here.
He's coming out here. Nina's gonna like this. She's a real rail fan.
Had a full head of steam, flame fire, and then it gives you some operating things to do in place of the Highline.
Mm-hmm. And I was curious that you didn't go for Lincoln 10, but I guess.
Okay, no. Once was enough with that, and you can't operate that.
Right, but